Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're going to do a quick video on almond paste. Now, a lot of people use almond paste in their Christmas cooking, so cookies and other pastries and things. And sometimes almond paste is very hard to find in the store. But did you know it only takes 5 ingredients and about 3 minutes of your time? So you ready? Start your timer. So let's add to our mixing bowl 1 3/4 cups of almond flour, 1 1/2 cups of powdered sugar, and we're just gonna let that go ahead and start mixing. So start your timer now. And then we are going to add to it 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of almond extract to 1 egg white. And then I'm just going to get it right into the mixer, and we are going to let that mix until it's almond paste. It'll take about 3 minutes. Okay, and as you see, that's it. That was less than 3 minutes, you guys. Okay, let's take it out and I'll show you the texture. Look at this. If you have ever purchased your own almond paste, you know that it's expensive and there's no reason to buy it anymore. You can even use a food processor for this. I needed it because I'm making some fantastic cookies this week over on adventuresinEverydayCooking.com or on YouTube. And I was like, I am not buying this. I am just gonna make it myself because you guys, look, almond paste all ready to go. Okay, how do we store this? Now, it is very important that you store it tightly wrapped in plastic wrap. And the reason is because this stuff dries out like something you wouldn't believe. If I was to leave this out at room temperature just right now, it would probably dry out in less than half an hour. I mean, I could still probably bring it back a little bit, but you definitely don't want that to dry out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to roll it up tightly so that no air is in there. And then I'm gonna tuck these guys right in. And then I'm gonna do it again because I want to keep all of the air out of there. And once this is tightly wrapped and ready for your refrigerator, it will keep in your refrigerator for about a month. So you can go in and take some off and use it for your recipes. You can also store it in your freezer for up to 3 months. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Come check out what cookie I'm gonna do with this almond paste. You might just wanna make it too. All right, we'll see you on the next one.